I'm going to clarify the myth of how a steak should be cooked. Now, some people say that they prefer rare, and the reason is because it's easier. You just put it in and out, and that's it. It takes skills to cook it properly, which is medium rare. And the reason it takes skills is if you do it too soon, it becomes rare. And if you take too long, a few seconds too long, a minute too long, it becomes medium or medium well. So it takes some skills. And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. This is a Black Angus top sirloin steak. And it's going to be very easy to prepare. So let me get a container because I'm going to do a quick butter mix. So I have some unsalted butter. This here, and I have a link in the description, is a garlic paste I prepare. And I'm going to mix it together. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Let me get some salt here. I'm going to go flaky, but you can go thin. This is flaky, you can break it down. You don't want it, this salt, that's the solid one. And I got a little bit of saffron, which is optional, just to give it a touch, you know. So I have about half a tablespoon. I cut it in pieces because that's easier way to, smash it together. I'm going to get some of my paste. And I'm going to smash this baby together. You mixing it together, okay? You can add a little bit of salt. Just a tiny bit. I flake it and I break it down. And I start breaking this baby together. The garlic. If you don't have the garlic paste, which I recommend to prepare, watch the video, then just put some minced garlic, okay? Regular garlic, mince it. Don't use garlic powder or garlic salt, don't use that. Use fresh minced garlic or this paste that I prepare. Practically what I did was a mojito de ajo, and I put in the refrigerador using certain techniques, very easy, and I got it done. See how it mix? And then what I'm going to do, you add a few strings of saffron. Let me use this one. Just a few strings. Something about saffron. It's the smell, right? Just mix it. Let me get some oil. Which one to go here? Let me see. Let me go with this one. And I think I'm going to go with the 100-year-old cast iron. Yep, let me go with this one. I want to pat this dry. And this being in room temperature, by the way, because you want the heat to transfer evenly and nicely. This is a low-cost piece of meat, poor man steak. But you still want to eat it right? And because this steak is so thin, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the oil now. And I'm going to rub it both sides of the steak, okay? Flip it and do the same. This is a very thin steak. Poor man's steak, huh? Don't worry about the salt yet, okay? I preheat my cast iron couple notches above medium. The thing is very hot, by the way. What you're going to do, you're going to add the steak. This one is a large one, so you have to play around. The beauty of cast iron is that it heats evenly. And I'm going to allow one side to cook for about 2.5 minutes, okay? About 3 minutes later, going to flip it. And then what I'm going to do, I typically tend to add salt before to go to the osmosis process, but that takes about 40 minutes, over 15 minutes for sure, 40 minutes for the entire process to go through. But I'm going to do it now. That way I don't have to worry about the salt absorbing the liquids. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some rosemary. It's automatic. And now it comes the butter mix. Move this a little bit to the side. And you let that butter mix do its thing, okay? Oh, smells delicious, that butter. You're going to start spooning this baby, okay? You're going to do this for about 3 minutes, okay? For worst case scenario. After 3 or 4 minutes, you're going to put it here and you're going to let it rest for about 5 to 8 minutes, okay? 5 to 8 minutes. Now that I've rested for about 5-6 minutes, let me get some of this stuff out of the way. Let me cut a piece, some of that delicious fat. See how nice and pink it's in the middle? Medium rare.